What's up, Cardano holder? After a very long time, you can see here, my friend. I already tell you to after the mid of month, Cardano will pumps up, and absolutely, it's all going right now. This time, you can see here, Cardano will pumps up 3.5%. So definitely, that's mean, my friends, to my prediction is going 100% right. And let's see, my friends. Today, we will also, my friends, tell you the next jump queue in upcoming time. Can they will dump or pump? So this is very important, my friend, from all of you. Please do this what I tell you. I'm 100% sure, my friends, you will get a very good profit. But remember, my brothers, too, I cannot make a financial video, so kindly research personally before you take any decision, because I cannot responsible for any decision. My friends, this time you could see here Cardano price 3.5% increase. So definitely, when a holder are starting investing with the market cap, my friends just clearly tell you, when the market cap is increasing, definitely the price is increasing. So the market cap is increasing if a holder are starting investing. So definitely the market cap is starting increasing, and when a market cap is increasing now 3.5%, you can see the price increase. So absolutely, my friend, the price will also increasing. In last 24 hours, my friends, the all crypto market will pumps up. So as you can see here, my friend, absolutely this is urgent jump, and remember, this is temporary jump. After this jump, absolutely I'm 100% sure, my friends, so they were fares down. But don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, if you are a short-term investor, you will get a very good profit from that. You know why? How you will get a profit? If you are starting buying, my friend, in this point, as you can see here, and if you are starting selling in this point, so definitely you will get a profit, because the price will come to very high now. So therefore you will get a profit. So therefore the decision is very important, my friends. So if they were fails down, absolutely after this huge point, I know, my friends, so they were fails down. So therefore when they were starting falling down, you will need to urgently sell it. But if you are a long-term investor, then does not need to you are starting selling. You will need, my friends, to ignore this jump. Just only wait for the end of month, wait for the second year, wait for the third year. Just only wait now. But absolutely, if you are a short-term investor, then you will need, my friends, to be active every time and get a very good decision. So thanks for watching, Cardano holder. I hope my prediction is 100% going positive. I hope to in upcoming days, my friends, the Cardano price will pumps up, because at the end of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore I hope they will give you a profit. But please, holders, you will need now to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.